to show you a couple of exercises to do for your lower back. So maybe if you suffer with lower back problems, or you just want to get your lower back just mobilised a little bit stronger. They're very gentle, we're only going to stay at some very low levels. A really nice video to save and come back to for any time you feel you're suffering in your lower back. Okay, let's pop on our backs when you're ready. And let's just have our arms just resting down by our side. Okay, let's have our feet and our knees in a bound position, hip width apart. So tucking the chin in towards the breastbone, we're going to pull the tummy in gently, not too hard, but just with a little bit of tension in there. Now we're going to imagine that we've got a bowl of water sitting between these hips, and we're going to rock that bowl of water forwards and backwards. So we're going to imagine that we're just going to tilt that water in towards the belly button. So we're just tilting that lower back down, and we're curling the pelvis up gently. And then we're going to slowly relax off. Let's go again. We're going to exhale as we push down. So we're pushing the middle part of the back down, tilting that water, and then gently back to the leveling off. Well done. So we're going to exhale as we tilt, and inhale as we relax off. Now it's a really small move. It doesn't have to be too much, and it's really good for getting the back moving, the lower back, just gently releasing the tension in the hips. So if you've got a lower back problem, quite often we're very stiff in the hips. So this one's a really nice one to do to just release the tension in the lower back, get the back moving, and just stretch. Exhale, pushing down, so tilting. And inhale, back off again, nice and steady. Try not to pop any tension in the thighs, and try not to arch the back as you release back into that flat back position. Exhale, pulling the tummy in, and inhale, just relaxing those hips back off. Okay, let's just go a couple more now. So tilting, and back again. Last one. And we're going to relax. Okay, so we're going to go into another one where we bring one knee in towards the chest. Now we're going to hook the knee, point the toe, we're going to lift the head and the shoulders, and then we're going to relax gently back off. And the other side, lifting, hugging, bringing that tummy in, bringing that nose towards that knee, and back again. And we're going to keep going nice and slow, really taking your time, stretching through that lower back. Exhale and inhale, nice and slow. Exhale and inhale. Now when we're lifting our heads and our shoulders, think about pulling the tummy button in and up to engage those core muscles. Just getting those hips moving. In and out. In and out. So really nice one to do if you suffer with your lower back, or if you just want to stretch through the lower back. Nice and steady. Okay, let's make our next one our last one. So lifting and holding, and we're going to relax. Okay, let's have a full body stretch when you're ready. Stretching the arms, stretching the legs. And we're going to come back when you're ready and relax. Okay, let's come into a seated position now. So we're always setting ourselves back up before we leave. So sitting up nice and tall, bringing in the tummy, squeezing the pelvic floor, shoulders up, back and down, head back in line with our spine, and we're going to zip ourselves up nice and tall. Thank you for joining me, folks. It's a really nice one to save or come back to, and I hope to see you soon. Bye bye.